Hi folks, Dave from the Art Factory. Thanks for joining. I want to tell you the difference between having your wedding at the Art Factory and your ordinary corporate catering hall. Everybody's been to those halls. I mean, you really have to put on your rose-colored glasses. That's why I'm wearing mine right now, because it's the same old, same old. Everybody's been to those. You have the casino carpets, and you have the casino carpets with the little faux dance floor over there, or just a fake dance floor in the middle, and you have the drop ceilings with the fake plaster and the lights, and it's all manufactured, right? I mean, we even have our faux we follow the trend a little bit. We even have our Roman columns, but they're part of an art installation here at the factory. So, but we understand where you're coming from. Nobody wants to wear the rose-colored glasses anymore. You want to have a wedding that's designed for you. It's your brand. You're getting married. You're not getting married in some old guy's idea of what a wedding hall is supposed to be. Some old guy like me that said, oh, I'm going to build a wedding hall, and I got to have the casino carpets, and I got to have the Roman columns, and I got to have all these special LED lights. No, that's not what we do here. We have a team of creatives who built this art factory, starting with my wife. She's the creator. She invented the art factory. She's been in art school since she's 12 years old from Europe. She has contacts that go to Berlin, to South Korea, you name it. Down into Peru. So a lot of creative people here. When we got our creatives together, we decided, what do we not like about corporate catering, and what do we wish it could be? So our creatives said, you know what? I want this to be about my wedding, not your idea of my wedding. So we design this and we curate this with our creatives to make your special wedding, and that's what we do here at the Art Factory.